Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are well. Alhamdulillah. So today we are going to discuss grammar bits of lesson number 9. Just answer me orally whatever you understood in the story. Describe the lesson. Describe the lost animal. The animal has one weak leg, slightness, right eye, and short tail. He is suffering from body pain. Yes. 4 merchants. Whatever they discussed, this is the answer. Next, could the animal have been a tiger? Give reasons to support your answer. No, the animal could not have been a tiger because a tiger could not eat leaves of trees. Next, think and answer. Did the king believe the merchant in the beginning? Just copy it, children. This is the bit you have to write in your classwork homework book, or else you can write in your textbooks, okay? The man who lost the camel was a careless man. Yes. Whatever the merchant who gave their answers, I wrote here with the help of textbook. You can write in the same way. Okay. Blind right eye. Who said this word sign to whom? Next, higher order thinking skills questions. Do you observe things in your day-to-day life? Describe an incident. Whatever the incident you saw in your day-to-day life, you can write here. Means the person, any person you saw in the blind person, anywhere you can write here. Whatever you incident you can write by your own. Okay, this is the answer. Next, talk. This is the bit which you have to this is the bit you have to do by your own in order to improve your English spoken skill. Yes, English speaking skills. So one person is asking, have you seen my bag? Not. Why? He is asking. I can't find it. Where do you leave it? He is asking. Near the water tap. I think I saw a red bag lying there. Yes, it must be mine. Don't worry. Let's go and find out. Like this, in the same way, puppy for puppy, umbrella, keys. Like this, you have to ask, and your gardener just keep that and practice it. Okay? This bit as homework. Now read along with me, children. Orbit, organ, always, walk, not, thought, fall, all, short, talk, form, taught. Yes, repeat again. Orbit, organ, always, walk, not, thought, fall, all, short, talk, form, taught. Conjunction. Okay. What do you mean by conjunction? Conjunctions are nothing but in order to join the two sentences we use conjunctions. Means we can join two sentences using conjunction. Means and, or, but, because. For this class, these 4 conjunctions are enough. If it came across, I will explain you. Okay. So what are conjunctions? Conjunctions are used to join more than 2 sentences. Example: and, or, but, because, so, either, or. Okay. Remember these 6: and, or, but, because, so, either, or. Either, or. E-I-T-H-E-R, either, O-R, S-O, so. Okay? Remember this. Wherever you saw these words, these are called, what are these are called? Conjunctions. Yes, children? Conjunctions. And, or, but, because, so, either, or. What are these all? These all are conjunctions. Underline the conjunctions in the sentence that follows. So So what are, just read the sentence and underline it. See what is here conjunction or. What do you like the most, milk or juice? Or Sheila missed her school because she was sick. What is conjunction here? Because. Very good. This bit I will give you as homework, children. Next, combine the following sentence using and, either or but, because or so, making necessary changes. These are the sentences whichever given. Just rewrite this. See here, like this. Ratna has not done her homework, so she will not watch the cricket match. Their place is not there, I wrote here. So, just if your place is there, you can write in the down also, okay? Sahil said because his grandparents have gone back to Patiala. Just separate in write down children. Next, this bit as homework, children. Interjection. Conjunctions already discussed. What are interjections? Interjections are nothing but express sudden strong feelings. Oh, like this exclamatory mark. Wherever you see exclamatory mark, no, that is called interjection. The words which shows strong feelings. So, strong feelings. Alas. Oh, like this. These all are what these all are? This is called interjection. Hooray! Today is holiday. This is also hooray. What is hooray here? The interjection. Interjection is nothing but interjection shows sudden strong feelings. Understood? So this is happy face. This is sad face. Read the sentence. What the sentence you feel as happy? Draw here happy face. What the sentence you feel as sad? Draw here sad face. Understood? This is bit as homework. Next, see here. This is the box. In this box, what you have to do? Just color the box with yellow crayon. Interjection words means what words? See here. Ouch. This is interjection. Or, but, and. These what these all are? These all are conjunctions. Yes, interjections are oh. This is sudden feeling. No, if you got hurt, oh, like this is also. This is a sudden feeling. Next, hooray. This is also interjection. Bravo. Oh, alas. These all are what? These all are interjections. Yes. Ouch, hooray, bravo, oh, alas. What these all are? These all are interjections. Using suitable form of words, use the suitable form of words given in the boxes to complete these sentences. So these bit okay. Use the suitable form of the words given in the boxes to complete these sentences. My sister dash for school early. I am going to dash after some time. Here this is the sentence. This is the word which is given in the box. So what you have to do, just keep here necessary words in the box, in this fill in the blanks. My sister left for school early. I am going to leave after some time. Understood? My father looks delicious, cooks here. Cooks delicious food. My mother cannot cook. Okay? Cooks. My mother cannot cook. Neeta dash to my house today. Can you dash to my house today? Neeta came to my house today. Can you come to my house today? I went to the zoo yesterday. My younger brother wants to go today. She plays in the park. Everyone play in the park. Understood? This just to fill in the blanks, children. So this is the box is given. What you have to do? Just this is the box. by referring this box, you have to fill in the blanks with opposite. Foolish opposite. Foolish opposite what? See here, foolish opposite, wise. Yes? Honest, dishonest. Next, lost. Lost opposite, found. Slow opposite, fast. Yes. Below opposite, above. Like this, fill in this blank with the help of this box, with the refer this box also, and with the help of this, fill in the blanks with opposite. Understood? Now, next, consult a doctor to find out meanings. Okay, remaining bits I will explain you in the next class, children. Till now, Jazakallahu khair.